solitaire blues. Then one day my music made me a millionaire. I bought a big old mansion with central heating air. Now I've got more money than I know how to use. I got everything a man could want, but I ain't got no blues. Success for me can only be to my impending doom, 'cause I can't play the blues in an air-conditioned room. Yeah. With a smaller piece of pie, despite all my fame and fortune, I can't identify. I lost the inspiration that came naturally at the start. I had to hire a mean old woman just to break my heart. Now my life's too easy, I think I'm getting soft. I used to play the blues all day, but now I just play golf. Now all my pain is rearranged, my life has changed to truth, 'cause I can't play the blues in an air-conditioned room. Yeah. Strange. The first thing in the morning, I'm gonna make a change. I'll throw away my money, I'll move back to that shack. I'll do whatever I got to do to get that feeling back. No, I'm feeling better with nothing left to lose. The times are bad, the less I had, the better I played the blues. I buy myself some turkey and wine, and it's my right to choose, 'cause I can't play the blues in an air-conditioned room. If I should die tomorrow, you can write it on my tomb that I can't play the blues in an air-conditioned room. Yeah, come on. Oh yeah. Woo. Hey man, you know you got change for 100. Hey boy. Where can a guy get a shoe shine around here? Oh, yeah! Woo! Come on! Take me home now, come on!